Hello everyone! Today, let's watch another music video from the group Horizon. So, ito ay yung 16 MV. So, narinig ko na yung chorus part ng song na to and nakita ko yung TikTok dance challenge na pinost ng SB19 together with the other members of Horizon. So, hayon, may idea ako ng konti sa song na to. Pero ngayon, tingnan natin yung full song at saka yung music video. July 19, 2023.
Hey, wait, don't you come and join us? Here we go, party tonight, check it. Pump it up, your energy feel it. Play it hard, you feel like 16. Hang out with me, I'm watching. We can't nothing fun is going on. Don't pretend, looking for what to eat and drink.
Ganda ng mga outfit change dito ah. Pang firefighter sila doon. Ito yung bias ko. Alam mo na yung mukha niya. Sa boses niya kasi. Ito talaga yung, ano talaga yung wapo naman nun. Bigit siya. Wow. Pang model talaga yung isang member na yon. Ang cute. Ito yung ano ko. Yan. Nalala ko ganito yung step. Sumikat ba to sa Korea? Or nagkaroon sila ng awards dahil dito sa song na to? Ganda ng song. So far, maganda to. Ito naman, ano, scientist naman sila dito. Firefighter, then scientist. Ito maganda, no? Ganda ng, ano to eh, refrain ba to? Grabe ang vocals. Maganda yung timing ng rap, pagpasok ng rap. Puppet na sila. Wapo. Cute na. Pinutol na. Yun maganda yun, di ba? Maganda yung tono ng boses niya. 16. Pero may 7. Pero may 17. Ano ba yun? Kasi yung pangalan is may 7 na number. Pero 16 pala siya. Basahin. Ayun guys. Yung 16, ito yung very, naman to? Tingin ko trendy talaga siya eh. Very pop na song. And for me, ito yung ang daming hook. Mang-hook ka talaga kahit hindi mo kilala kung sino kumakanta. Hindi mo nakita kung sino kumakanta. And yung chorus part kasi is parang siya, oh la la. And may halo siyang English, then konting Korean. So, pag pakinggan mo siya, mahuhook ka talaga kahit hindi mo talagang alam kung ano yung meaning ng song. Ganun siya. Ito yung maganda kasi, very poppy siya eh. Tingin ko sumikat to eh. Sa mga songs na napakinggan ko so far from them, ito yung nakaka-hook talaga. And from 1 year ago din to. So, hayon, naka-receive kaya sila ng award dahil dito. Makikita mo talaga yung pagiging youthful nila eh. At saka yung mukha nila, alam mo na talaga yung vibe ng song. And magagaling yung mga rapper nila. Kasi yung ibang rapper na kumakanta din, wala ka talaga masasabi sa sayaw nila eh. Very good talaga sila sa dancing nila. And yung music video palating good vibe, colorful, and lively, and yun nga, youthful talaga. So, very cute, charming, and kung mapanood mo yung music video, hindi mo talaga may iwasan na mapapangiti na lang o mamimesmerize. Kasi may dalawang member siguro na very ang taas ng charisma ang gwapo. Ang ganda ng katawan. And meron naman ng members na very cute. Yun, parang puppy, tingnan. O, diba? So, ayun guys, that's it for my reaction to their 16 music video of Horizon. And thank you again guys for watching with me. More Horizon in the next coming weeks pa. And if you have any suggestion, please leave in the comment below. That's it guys. See you again next time. Bye bye.